Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a dress form for sewing. First, adjust your dress form to match your exact body measurements. This ensures your garments will fit perfectly. Make sure the form's height aligns with your natural waistline. If your body has unique curves, use batting or foam to pad the form, creating a precise replica of your shape. This crucial first step guarantees accurate results for all your sewing projects. Once your dress form is accurately set up, you can begin draping. Pin fabric directly onto the form to sculpt and visualize your garment designs in 3 dimensions. Start with inexpensive muslin to experiment with shapes and ideas without wasting your final fabric. As you drape, mark all your seam lines, darts, and other design details directly onto the fabric. This method helps you understand how fabric behaves and falls. After draping, carefully transfer your fabric pieces onto paper to create your sewing patterns. The dress form then becomes invaluable for fitting. You can pin your garment pieces onto the form to check the fit, ensuring everything hangs correctly and drapes beautifully. This allows you to identify and make precise adjustments to areas like the bust, waist, or hips before cutting into your final fabric, saving time and material. Beyond basic draping, a dress form is excellent for experimenting with complex design elements, such as intricate collars, unique sleeve styles, or elaborate hemlines. It also serves as a fantastic display for your finished garments, allowing you to assess their overall drape, balance, and visual appeal from all angles. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.